Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into two of the most common project management methodologies, Agile and Waterfall. These two approaches take different paths to reach the same goal, so let's break down the key differences. First, let's talk about how these methodologies structure a project's lifecycle. Agile is iterative and incremental, meaning it's broken down into smaller chunks or sprints. This allows for continuous feedback and adaptation throughout the project. Waterfall, on the other hand, is more sequential and linear. The project is divided into distinct phases, like requirements, design, and testing, that must be completed one after the other. When it comes to flexibility, Agile is all about being adaptable. It can embrace changes even late in the process, constantly reassessing priorities to fit evolving customer needs. Waterfall, however, is more rigid. Once a phase begins, making changes can be difficult and costly. This is why Waterfall is best suited for projects where requirements are well defined from the start. Client involvement is another major difference. In Agile, clients are involved continuously, providing regular feedback during each sprint. This allows for adjustments to be made on the fly. In Waterfall, client feedback is typically limited to the beginning and the end of the project, which makes it harder to implement changes along the way. Now, let's look at project planning. Agile takes a dynamic approach to planning, adjusting it with each iteration as new information comes in. In Waterfall, planning happens up front, with a detailed roadmap that covers the entire project. Once that plan is in place, it's difficult to change it. Risk management also differs between the two. Agile identifies and addresses risks throughout the project, allowing for early issue detection and correction. Waterfall tries to address risks during the planning phase, but unexpected challenges that arise later can lead to delays. When it comes to deliverables, Agile emphasizes delivering a minimum viable product, MVP, early and often, with frequent updates. In contrast, Waterfall delivers everything at the end, after all the phases are complete. There's no partial product released along the way. Documentation is another area where these methodologies differ. Agile prefers lightweight documentation, created only when needed. Waterfall, however, requires comprehensive documentation at each phase, which must be completed before moving to the next. So, which methodology is best for your project? Agile is ideal for projects with evolving requirements, uncertainty, and the need for rapid adaptation, like software development or innovation-driven projects. Waterfall works best for projects with stable, well-defined requirements, such as in construction or manufacturing. Team collaboration also looks different. Agile encourages constant communication and daily collaboration within cross-functional teams. In Waterfall, collaboration is more limited to specific phases, with handoffs between teams often leading to siloed work. Lastly, let's talk about costs and timelines. Agile is more adaptable, with costs and timelines adjusting as the project evolves. Regular delivery of increments helps manage costs effectively. Waterfall, on the other hand, fixes costs and timelines up front. Any changes to the scope usually come with additional costs and delays. In summary, Agile is all about being adaptive and flexible, thriving in fast-paced and dynamic environments. Waterfall is linear and predictable, making it a great fit for projects where stability and control are key. And, of course, many organizations adopt a hybrid approach, combining the strengths of both. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on project management methodologies.